Along. I am Jamie O'Harayan.
And I am Rachel Sibukan.
Today, we will present our analysis of Petron Corporation and how it fits into a diversified investment portfolio, using the principles from FM3, FM4, and FM5.
Through Investigram's virtual trading, we simulated real stock market activities, selecting companies, building a portfolio, and monitoring price movements. Our main investment was Petron Corporation because of its strong market position in the energy sector and long-term growth potential. To diversify, we included companies from banking, telecommunications, real estate, and consumer goods. These presentations covers company and financial analysis, banking and industry integration, portfolio construction, simulation performance, and reflections from FM3, FM4, and FM5, and conclusion.
So for continuation is the company and financial analysis, or FM3. So under FM3, we evaluated Petron Corporation's financial health using key financial ratios. So why Petron Corporation? So Petron is the largest oil refining and marketing company in the Philippines. So it has strong retail network, diversified product lines, and stable demand for fuel and petrochemicals. So the key financial metrics and interpretation, so the net profit margin of Petron is 4 to 5%, indicates efficient revenue to earnings conversion despite of global oil price volatility. So this is supported by a strong asset turnover ratio of 1.85 to 1.90. So the second is the return on equity. It has 8.22% sa current and 8.31% in the year 2024. So it shows moderate but stable shareholder returns improving from previous years. So the third is the debt to equity ratio. So it has 2.44. The third is the debt to equity ratio. So it has 2.44 in the current and 2.59 in the year 2024. So it reflects the company's use of leverage to fund capital expenditures and expansion while still meeting solvency requirements. So the fourth is the current ratio. It has 1.03 for the current year and 1